So I'll show you how to create a one-time invoice. So on the left-hand side of the screen, you want to make sure you're on the payments option on the menu, and then you're going to click on the blue new button in the upper right-hand corner here. The drop down will appear, so you will need to click on new invoice, and then the page will pop up with the invoice page here. So here, you'll see that your information should already be inputted on the side here of the page, and then you will need to go down below where it says who's this invoice for. There's a box here that says add a client, because this is who we're billing it to, and we want to add a client. So let's pick from our list here. So let's say we'll pick Sally. So Sally's information will populate, her address, her city, her zip code will populate here as well too if it is inputted in their contact information. The invoice number will automatically appear, and then the issue date and then the due date will appear here as well. Okay, we're going to add an item, and then we're going to select the product. So let's say if you don't have a product already listed in here, so we're going to go ahead and create one. So let's say the product name was for example purposes, shoe cleaning. This is a physical good, and then the price name you would enter in, let's say, shoe cleaning. Again here. And then you're entering the dollar amount for it, which let's say it was like $30. This is for USD. You can also click save here for later use. If you plan on using it again, that particular product again later on, you can do that. And then we'll click save. So now, since we clicked that checkbox, now we don't have to create that particular item again. All right. So now our pay is filled in here for the $30 amount. If you need to add another item, you will do it the exact same way. Here you will enter in whatever types of notes, policies, or terms and conditions. You can enter in that information here. And then you go back to the top, you would click save, and then you would click send. All right, so here you would name the invoice. So let's say we're just going to name it Sally Shoemaker Shoe Cleaning Invoice. We're going to select whether we want to send it through email and text, or email or text. So let's say we want to send it to both. So we'll make sure that that button is highlighted for email and text. She has her phone number on here and the email address provided. The email template has already been defaulted to what the system already has in here. And then for additional options, this right here is just for the payment mode. So if you want to test it, you can. If you want to just go live with it, that's fine as well. So we're going to send the invoice by clicking on the green send invoice button. And then it will send the invoice out to Sally via email and text message at that point.